Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the CAMOLO RGB, this stands for red, green and blue, handheld light wand. It's a portable wand light. In the nearly all colors can be shown in that handheld here. Easy, because it is an RGB LED light stick. It's a tube, it's a light stick, and it's magnetic for photography lighting with app control. Of course, you can make it manually too, no problem. Full color brightness, adjustable 10 effects on board, and it goes from 2500 Kelvin up to 8500 Kelvin. CRI is more than 95. This RGB light tube adopts integrated design, and the tube is made of high quality PC type materials and ABS materials. It allows a more comfortable hand feel. Besides, this video light is equipped with 49 high quality beads, which guarantees soft and brighter light and a wider range of illumination. This LED and RGB video light can be our companion assistant for photography, videography, light painting, in concerts, while we are camping, and. The LED hand light sticks provides two types of control mode, the control panel and the app. We can manipulate directly the light tube via the control panel, situated on the back by one hand. As you can see, it's really easy, and this is my main thing on this device. The app is a good thing if you're using it a little bit out of range for you. Then the app control is really okay. Or we can go download a small memory app, which allows adjusting freely and effectively the light. Moreover, we can store up our own favorite light mode and pick it up the color we want to by the taking pictures, for example. This RGB handheld light wand provides full color with color temperature adjustable from 2500 Kelvin up to 8500 K brightness, from 1% up to 100%. At the same time, it also provides 10 scene modes to choose from, so it can satisfy almost nearly all what we need. We can create different light combinations. More than 16 million combinations are available. And we can create our own atmosphere depending on our own demand. Equipped with two strong magnets at either end of the stick, it can attach firmly on the metal without any bracket or support. Meanwhile, this LED photography light is equipped with two 1/4 inches standard nut holes at either end of the stick, which allows connecting to other accessories such as wand light, tripod, monopod, tripod ball, head, bracket, and more. And the built-in 7.4 watt 2600 milliampere hour rechargeable battery supports full power, can work for 110 minutes at the highest brightness. This tube light can be used independently outdoors. Thanks to its small size and light weight, we can go easily wherever and whenever we want with the light stick in the carry bag. App Bluetooth control, RGB 360 degrees full color, strong magnetic fields, color temperature from 2500 to 8500 K, and built-in 2600 milliampere hour battery. We can search for the RGB Link app in Google Play Store and the App Store. Then we download it, and after this we can pair the device by using the app, of course, and we easily connect them each other, and then we can use it. That's really cool and easy. We have the CCT mode in the app, for example. We have an RGB full color mode in the app, 10 scene modes in the app, and the like mode. The like mode is you can program what you like, and then you can let the stick do the like mode again. Optional control mode needed. Control panel on the back, which allows manipulating directly the light tube via the control panel situated on the back by one hand. And of course the app controller, which allows adjusting freely and effectively the light. CCT brightness adjustable, RGB full color and brightness adjustable. Pick up the color we want by taking pictures. 10 scene modes. Store up our own favorite light modes and start and make awesome pictures or videos. This RGB handheld light wand provides full color with color temperature adjustable from 2.5K up to 8.5 kk, brightness from 1% up to 100. At the same time, it also provides the 10 scene modes to choose from, so it can satisfy almost all of our need. We can create different lighting combinations and a lot of 60 million combinations and create our awesome atmosphere while we have a photo shooting, while we have a video shooting or interview or what else. This RGB light tube react quickly and swift quickly to different colors. Equipped with 2 strong magnets are really cool because if there is any metal plate you can connect it there. And of course you can connect it to your tripod, for example, because of the 1/4 inches holes on both sides. We will get an LED wand, a hand rope, a charging cable, and a carry bag. Oh yeah, this is, I think, the really cool CAMOLO RGB handheld light wand. It's a portable wand light, RGB LED light emitted diode light stick. A tube, a light stick with magnetic fields for photography and video shooting. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon soon.